If you grew up watching The Wizard of Oz, you know that tornadoes are nature's most terrifying storms. But do you know where on earth they're most common?
Central America somewhere. Here?
Tornado Alley, North America.
Ooh, around the Texas area.
About here.
So in Kazakhstan?
Yeah.
In fact, the answer is right here in the UK, where we have more recorded tornadoes per square mile than even in the United States. There are, on average, 33 tornado sightings every year. Fortunately, most British whirlwinds are small, but 4 years ago, this quiet street in Birmingham was devastated when a twister struck.
It was an ordinary day. There was no wind, and then suddenly it was just all around us, this massive force. There was just wind, debris, dust, everything just swirling outside. The whole thing was just a swirl.
Although the tornado lasted for just 30 seconds, it caused a huge amount of destruction.
When it all finished, I went to the door and there was just devastation outside.
But what triggers a tornado? Well, here at Manchester University, they're trying to answer that question by thinking inside the box.
This is our tornado box. We can make a tornado in here. All we need to do is to release some smoke into here, and this will be sucked upwards by the fan, and this is our tornado.
So what actually causes a tornado to form?
Well, tornadoes are one of the mysteries of weather science. We really don't know the details of how they form. The key ingredient is a thunderstorm.
The second ingredient is clashing winds. When cold, dry air collides head-on with warm, moist air, it forms a rotating vortex. The thunderstorm draws this vortex upwards, creating a funnel cloud and an area of low pressure which sucks in even more air. This makes the tornado spin even faster, creating wind speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. So I've come here to the Building Research Establishment in Watford to find out more about the damage high winds cause. And they make high winds here in the lab in their very own wind tunnel. Understanding the effects of tornadoes will help to design and build tornado-proof housing in the future.
When we have the wind tunnel in its high-speed mode, which is how we have it set up today, we can get up to about 110, 112 mile an hour. So that's getting on for a sort of a mild to a medium tornado.
James blasts a mocked-up roof with higher and higher wind speeds.
The tile's all stood up now, so shall we take it up further and see what happens? Yes. So let's go up to full speed on the wind tunnel now.
It sounds like it's getting... Oh, no! Oh, my goodness!
And I didn't expect that to happen.
That's the effect on buildings. But what happens if you find yourself caught out in one? There's only one way to find out.
But this is 40 miles an hour. If you compare that to the Birmingham tornado, which had gusts up to 140, it beggars belief. We're now at 70 miles an hour. It's almost impossible to hold on.
This is barely the strength of a Force 1 tornado. But it isn't just speed which makes them so deadly. It's the swirling vortex. It forms a powerful vacuum, sucking up debris, cars and animals, turning them into spinning missiles, travelling at hundreds of miles per hour and killing around 60 people a year. The UK gets lots of twisters because our location on the Atlantic seaboard is a place where air currents clash. But unlike the US, where big differences in air temperature create faster storms, our mild climate means we'll never know the devastating power of an F5 tornado.